Welcome to the complete Arduino overview. If you are curious about this platform and willing to make your first Arduino project, this is the right video to get you started. Arduino has innumerable applications. It allows to control DC motors and servos, control displays, collect data from countless types of sensors like temperature, humidity, pressure, ultrasonic, light and motion, amongst many others, control Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Zigbee modules to achieve wireless communications, and interconnecting those elements, we can build a lot of interesting projects. For example, a robot car controlled by your smartphone using Bluetooth, or even running Flappy Bird on a touchscreen. We can use Arduino for almost every kind of project. Our imagination is the limit. The Arduino is usually recognized as a microcontroller. In a simplified way, a microcontroller is a tiny computer on a single integrated circuit that can execute simple software programs. It has a low power consumption, so it can be powered by a battery for days, months or even years. More specifically, Arduino is an Italian open-source hardware and software company that designs and manufactures single-board microcontrollers and microcontroller kits for easier prototyping. The Arduino project started in 2003 as a program for students at the Interaction Design Institute Ivrea in Italy. The main objective was to provide a low-cost and easy way for beginners and professionals to create devices that interact with their physical environment using sensors and actuators. Nowadays, the thrilling Arduino community has millions of users around the world, from beginners to experts, willing to help us with our projects and clarify our doubts. Moreover, Arduino projects are licensed under the General Public License, permitting the manufacture of Arduino boards and software distribution by anyone. Arduino boards come in various shapes and flavors, so we can choose the ones that suit best our experience level and our project's needs. Uno, Leonardo and Esplora are good choices for beginners. Arduino Micro and Arduino Nano are very useful to integrate in everyday objects in order to make them interactive. For more complex projects, Mega, Zero, Dewey and M0 come very handy. For even more ambitious projects, there are a lot of board shields modules with different features, ready to be connected to our main board and to be easily programmed to accomplish our objectives. The Arduino Integrated Development Environment is a cross-platform application for Windows, macOS and Linux. The Arduino IDE supports the programming languages C and C++, using special rules of code structuring. This simple and easy to use IDE is one of the main reasons why Arduino platform is so popular worldwide. It is probably one of the easiest programming experience you will ever have. We can find a big set of software libraries and example projects online ready to use, which allows us to create very exciting projects without a deep understanding of software and hardware. A program written with the Arduino IDE is called a sketch and it is saved on the development computer with the file extension .ino. By default, the IDE opens in the workspace. A minimal Arduino program consists of only two functions: setup, which is called once when a sketch starts after power up or reset, and it is used to initialize software and hardware dependencies, and loop, which is executed repeatedly in the main program, implementing the intended functionalities. The IDE has some built-in software examples that we can find by clicking in the tab File. Then click in Examples and you can see various categories of firmware projects. We are going to choose the blink LED example from the tab Basics. Now we shall click in the Verify button to compile the code and check for any syntax errors. Once everything is OK, we must now choose the board we are programming. Click in the tab Tools and choose your board. Finally, we can program the microcontroller by clicking in the Upload button. And with just 8 lines of code, it is possible to implement the simple blinking LED example. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and leave your comments down below. And if you want to master electronics and programming, just click in the subscribe button. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a good time!